Hey guys, it's me, the Fun Cackling, and today I'm doing my iBoom squishy collection. So let's get into the video. My first iBoom squishy that I have is this mini chocolate Sacertor. My next iBoom squishy is this Cassie and a Donut squishy. My next iBoom squishy is the iBoom Nyan Cat Pancake. My next iBoom squishy is the iBoom ice cream squishy. My next iBoom squishy is the iBoom Marble Bear. And the design with the pink strawberry. My next iBoom squishy is the Marble Bear with the red strawberry. My next iBoom squishy is the iBoom Mousse shell bread, something like that. Oh, it's Mousse Madeline, that's what it's called. My next iBoom squishy is the iBoom Mousse sweet bread. My next iBoom squishy is the iBoom medium strawberry peach. My next iBoom squishy is the iBoom Rainbow Cinnamon Roll. My next iBoom squishy is the iBoom Calico Cat laying down position. My next iBoom squishy is the iBoom Princess Shortcake in the rainbow design. And last but not least, I have this Jumbo Sacertor. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a brand new video. And as always, bye kitty fans.